Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monia, and today we're going to be doing a KKW times Mario Dupetorial for their very hyped up and talked about makeup palette. So I got mine in the mail the other day, so excited. And this is what it looks like. And those are also my lovely notes for dupes with my beloved Soft Glam and Modern Renaissance palettes. And because I go that extra mile for you guys, I did it for Colourpop as well. A Super Shock Shadow. This is in LUCKFULLY, and this is from Colourpop. The texture of this is insane. Like, I touched it and it immediately made me think of dipping my fingers into Play-Doh, like a fresh open jar of, or open cup of Play-Doh, and right when you touch and press down on it, it's that cold, wet feeling, and it's really malleable and like putty-like. That's when you know you're a 90s child, is when you relate eyeshadow to Play-Doh. Anyways, so this is the color that I'm gonna be using instead of, or as opposed to LIBRA. This is gonna be the dupe, and I mean, look at that. That pigment is stunning. Okay, less talking, more popping, girl. What? And I'm gonna do a full blown out, a blue dramatic eye. The blue's gonna be all over the eyelids, and I'm just gonna use some transition colors to really build that depth. So let's get it pop. Let's get it started hot. Let's get it started here. Okay, so we're gonna cover my beautiful face with some setting powder so we protect ourselves. We like to feel protected, don't we? Now we're gonna prime the lids. All right, we're gonna start with the blue, since that's gonna be like the star of the show. We're gonna build it out, and then we're gonna blend it out with the colors accordingly. Let's get started with the blue. So we're gonna need a flat, dense tip brush, setting powder, spritz. So instead of LIBRA as KKW, we're gonna go in with LUCKFULLY. Do you see that? I mean, look how smooth. Oh my, yes. Colourpop. You are doing that? So now I'm gonna directly push this perpendicularly into the color, because I want it on the tip so I can continue carving this out. Okay, so now we're gonna blend this out. In her case, if you look at her palette, you would dip into Miami and Decade. However, in this case, we're gonna dip into REALGAR and TEMPERA with a slightly compact E17 Morphe. And so I'm gonna be right on that line, half on the blue, half on my untouched primer. With my smallest blending brush, M562, and I'm really gonna focus that color right on the blue, where you can see it's kind of fading a little bit because we're blending it out. So REALGAR and TEMPERA. Now I'm gonna go into TEMPERA a bit and lighten that blend up. And now with my largest fluffy brush, I am gonna just dip into TEMPERA to really blend that out. And right in the corner, we're gonna go in with Bronzey, according to her palette, and here I have Bronze, which is in the Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna spritz it so we can pack that color in. Okay, so we're gonna smoke out the lower lash. I really love Vegas. So there's two dupes, Sultry for the soft glam if you want more of like a glittery base. If you want that shimmery base like hers, then it would be Antique Bronze. So we're gonna go in with Antique Bronze with that small fluffy brush. We're gonna smoke out the bottom lash. And then we're gonna go in with Cyprus Umber, and hers is Loyalty. And then on the bottom lash line in the front and center, we're gonna just go all the way with Libra, aka LUCKFULLY. And there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead, finish the other eye, pull this look together, and then be right back, baby. All right, so here's the final look, and I am here for this look. I love the colors in Kim Kardashian West by Mario's eyeshadow palette. Their colors are stunning. I love how they have a good chunk of workable colors that you can kind of do everyday looks, daytime, nighttime, bedtime. I'll list the rest of the dupes in my bio below, so feel free to check it out. I really did focus on making sure that they match the finishes as well as the color itself. I had so much fun doing another Dupetorial on KKW Beauty. I think she has a great pick of colors. I really love the blue. The blue is in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you really think these are great dupes. What are your dupes? Did you love this look? Did you like this cinched, can you do that 3 times fast? Snatched, cinched, smokey eye. Snatched, cinched, cinched, smokey eye. Snatched, cinched, smokey eye. Whew. Well, don't know about you, I'm exhausted. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Monia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join the Rebel family by subscribing. Showstopper, 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 showstopper.